Welcome to the new job circular. Today's job circular is very interesting. It is SAARC Development Fund, which is in Thimphu, Bhutan. Vacancy announcement applications for the following positions are invited from the nationals of SAARC member states, that means Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. For appointment at SAARC Development Fund, the umbrella financial institution of the SAARC, which is located in Thimphu, Bhutan. The positions are Assistant Director Legal, Assistant Director Monitoring and Evaluation, Assistant Director Economic and Infrastructure Windows. The terms of references and prescribed application form for the above mentioned positions are available on SDF website sdfsec.org/career. Application form, CV, copies of educational and experience certificates should be sent by email to info@sdfsec.org and admin@sdfsec.org, latest by April 23rd, 2021. That means you have to apply before April 23rd, 2021. So that if you want to apply, please visit the website and send your CV or resume on the given email. So that's all for today. Please wait for the next job circular and good luck for you. See you soon.